Preserve your ovarian reserve now. Today's discussion is related to it is very important to prevent your poor ovarian reserves. And now this is for the age group of from menarche. You can take it from menarche to the willingness till fertility, because you can see now a lot of factors are affecting to women to leads toward or the landing towards the poor ovarian reserve, and the causes are very common. From the age group of menarche, a female, the girl is not following the good life patterns and the lifestyle patterns, then it definitely affect the endocrinal system. The life cycle starts with psycho, neuro, physio, immuno and endo. So these five stages are there. So it is not like that कि day one पे ही आपका direct endocrinal system खराब होगा and then you are leading towards the poor ovarian reserve. ऐसे नहीं होता है. जब भी कोई पेशेंट आएगा कि जिसका ओवेरियन रिजर्व पुअर है, तो this is the awareness to this age group of girls, and this is really high time to understand your changes inside your body. So this is awareness to you that prevent your poor ovarian reserve from very early age. And yes, it is possible. How to prevent it? There is some good methods available in holistic science. If you are really willing to not going with hormonal replacement, and if you're finding some symptoms inside your body from the menarche, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल पीरियड्स रेगुलर नहीं आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारा चेहरा खराब हो गया, एक्ने हो गए हैं, ओबेसिटी हो रही है, फ्लूइड रिटेंशन हो रहा है, देर आर मल्टीपल सिम्टम्स विच द गर्ल कैन एनालाइज कि मेरे अंदर ये चीज़ें बदल हो रही है, चेंजेस हो रही है. सो इमीजिएटली you need to understand that we need to go through some lifestyle modification. We need to take care of some, जैसे मैंने ये लाइफ सीक्वेंस बताया कि साइको, न्यूरो, फिजियो, इम्यूनो एंड एंडो. How it starts with, there are two major factors. One is the psychological factor. A lot of stresses, बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेसेस है, वर्क स्ट्रेस है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, उनकी वजह से एक पॉजिटिव फैक्टर क्रिएट होता है. It hampers your metabolism in the sense digestion. Stress hampers your digestion. अगर digestion weak है तो nutritional absorption नहीं होगा. The reason of पुअर न्यूट्रिशनल एब्जॉर्प्शन आपका आगे के जो मेटाबॉलिक फैक्टर्स है वो डिस्टर्ब होंगे, एंड देन द एंड ऑफ एंडोक्राइनल सिस्टम. सो एंडोक्राइनल सिस्टम डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है मीन्स हार्मोनल सिस्टम डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट, देन हाउ वी कैन टेक केयर. Yes, there is really a method available in holistic science, in integrated science. So care before cure is the concept which Gynovita is leading now in the integrated science, the Ayurveda methodology of the treatment. And care before cure is the prepare your body early for your good ovarian reserve and prevent yourself from the poor ovarian reserve. The course details, and it is a 21 days of holistic protocol, and how it is going to be happen, that I'm going to explain you in my next video. If you really want to prevent yourself from getting a struggle fertility or the poor ovarian reserve, then meet me, call me and understand that care before cure, how it is going to implement to your body with your early stage of age. So start it with early, that can help you to maintain your oocytes health and the quality. Of course, quality and quantity both are linked together. Your age and ovarian quantity and quality is of course linked together. So understand it and prevent it. Thank you so much. Myself, Dr. Pradnya, consultant Ayurveda physician at Gynovita Fertility and Wellness Clinic. You can call me on this number and you can check this on my website. Thank you so much.